Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to register on Pcex platform. So guys, this is a popular platform on these days. So guys, to register, go to this website, and this is on my PC guys, as you can see here. If you on mobile, the same thing, just go to register. From here write your email address guys, best email address that you work, and from here guys get verification code. Just click send code for this email. From here guys, enter your good password and strong password. After that, repeat this password guys, and after that what you have to do, just click your invite code if you have invite code. After that guys, click I have read and agree term of service and click registered. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, then below in the comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Keep watching guys.